Hello everyone, welcome to Study Automation. In this video we will see what's the use of props and how we can pass the data from one component to another component. For example, here we can see we have this application, to-do application. We have a header, then after that we have this display thing, display all the items or to-do items here, and then we can say our form. So now let's change this to-do app from here. Let's just cut it, and what I want to create one component. So let's say I can say to-do list, right? And in this to-do list we can simply close it. Now this to-do list will be as another component, and then in that component we can pass some data. So in React.js, whenever you create any component, either you can create one function or you can create class. So let's say I prefer class. So in class I can write to-do list, and you can do this after this writing also. Let's say I can say here to-do list class to-do list extends react dot component. It should be type of React component, and after that we can write here renderer. If you don't want to write constructor and all, this class is just used to display the list, display the to-do list. So I can simply write renderer, and in this renderer I'll just return data that we have, and in return I'll just paste it. So whatever things we have here, I just want to print it. These things we have written earlier at this place. Now we have moved it to another component, that is to-do list. Once we will done this, then what we have to do is, since you already know, we cannot use a state in other class or other component. So its state is restricted within the class only, within the component only. So now instead of passing it through a state, what we have to do, we have to use props. So here I can use props. Using props we will get items, and then we have same thing. Now the thing is, in props how we will get the items. So for that, so basically in props we have to pass this item, and to pass the item we have to go into the components, and here we'll write items equal to, and then we'll use this curly braces, and here we'll write this dot state dot items. So now this particular items will be used here. And if you will change the wordings here, so let's say if you will say to-do items, let's say you have named it as to-do item, then you have to use this same thing here, props dot to-do items, right? Let's save it and then try to see whether it is working or not. So build is successful. Let's refresh it, and I'll add here one item. Item 1, yeah, you can see it's working perfectly fine. Whatever things you will enter here. So this is all about props. So always remember, props is used to get data from parent and call the parent function or parent variables, and this is used within the same class only. So this is a small example, a small demo of to-do application. In the next video we will see more details on React.js application, and we will create one CRUD application where we will consume API, and then we will work on that. Thank you so much.